Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about 10th class English subject. Lesson 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. Nelson Mandela was a South African political, revolutionary, politician and a philanthropic who played a key role in ending of apartheid regime of 20th century. He served as the first black president from 1994 to 1999 and is considered one of the most significant figures of 20th century. He was the winner of the 1993 Nobel Peace Prize for his role in bringing the apartheid regime to a peaceful end and laying the foundation of a truly democratic South Africa. Introduction. A Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of former South African President Nelson Mandela, exploring themes of racial equality, political protest and ability of a human spirit to overcome a great hardship. Long Walk to Freedom is considered one of the most acclaimed and important autobiography of late 20th century. Summary. Nelson Mandela was sworn in as the first black president of South Africa on 10th May 1994. The swearing-in ceremony took place in a lovely sandstone amphitheater in Pretoria. He addressed the rainbow gathering with a just telling that never, never and ever again should be that beautiful land would experience the oppression of one by another. He wished that freedom in South Africa should reign. The army officers who could have caught and put him in jail before were saluting him to pay respect to the newly born democracy. The two national anthems were sung at the time of the swearing-in ceremony. He recalls back the history and pays homage to the national martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the sake of their motherland. He tells that the martyrs were the men of extraordinary courage and wisdom and generosity. The country of South Africa is rich in minerals and gems, but the great wealth of the country is its people. He tells no one is born hating another person because of the color, his skin, or his background or religion. If people learn to hate, they can thought be to love too. He talks the man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never exhausted. He talks about the twin obligation towards his family and obligation towards his nation. While discharging his duties, he found he was not free. Hence, he joined African National Congress and fought for the freedom of his country. He knew that the oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. The oppressor and oppressed are alike, are robbed of their humanity. Question and answers. 1. Can you say how May 10 is an autumn day in South Africa? Answer. 10th May is an autumn day in South Africa because on this day there was the largest gathering of international leaders on South Africa soil for the installation of a South Africa first democratic non-racial government. Number 2. What ideas does he set out for the future of South Africa? Mandela had high hopes for the future of South Africa. He pledged to liberate all South Africans from continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. He also stressed that the beautiful land of South Africa would never ever experience racial discrimination again. Does Mandela think the oppressor is free? Why? Why not? Mandela does not feel that the oppressor is free because according to him, an oppressor is a prisoner of a hatred who is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow-mindedness. He felt that both oppressor and oppressions are robbed of their humanity. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. For more interesting videos, hit the bell icon to be get notified when videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching.